Hello students, now we are going to see counter design using JK flip-flop from the 5th module, that is registers and counters. The question is, design a self-correcting modulo 6 counter in which all the unused states leads to state CBA is equal to 0, 0, 0. So first state diagram. Modulo 6 counter. Modulo 6 counter means it counts from 0 to 5. So the states are written here, mentioned here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, to design the modulo 6 counter, we need 3 flip-flops. So 3 flip-flops means states are from 0 to 7. Okay, but out of this 8 states, 2 states are not used here. The 6th and 7th one. 6 and 7 both are not used here, so that only it's mentioned here. These are unused states. For these unused states we have to put 0. Okay, so modulo 6 counter counts from 0 to 5, again 0 to 5. To design modulo 6 counter we need 3 flip-flops. So 3 flip-flops means states are 0 to 7. The unused states are 6 and 7, so these should be mentioned as 0. Next, state table. Present state 0 to 7. All the 8 states are mentioned here. The next state. If the present state is 0, next state will be 1. If the present state is 1, next state will be 2. 2 means 3, 3, 4, 3 means 5, 5 means 6. 5 means after 5 it's 0. After 5 it's 0. So 6 and 7 are unused states. So that how to mention in state table we'll see. So after present state 0, next state will be 1. If 1, 2, 2 means 3, 3 means 4, 4 means 5, 5 means 0, 5 means 0. 6 and 7 states are not there. For that we have to put 0 according to the question. Then we have to fill all the flip-flop inputs. So flip-flop inputs are 3 flip-flops we have to use now. So J and K first flip-flop, JA KA first flip-flop, JB KB second flip-flop, JC KC is the third flip-flop inputs. So using JK flip-flop excitation table we have to fill this. Next one, K-map. So there will be totally 6 K-maps. One is for KA, another for JA. Third one KB, fourth one JB, fifth one KC, sixth one JC. So the inputs are ABC, the output is KA. So inside the K-map we have to fill all these outputs to find the Boolean expression for KA. So these are the 8 K-maps, 8 K-maps and 8 inputs. JC is BN AN, KC AN plus BN, JB CN bar and AN, KB is AN and CN or CN, JA is equal to CN bar or BN bar, K is equal to 1. So now we will move to counter implementation. So 3 flip-flops are connected. C, B, A. So we'll see KA input is 1, KA input is 1 connector. Then JA is CN bar or BN bar. So OR gate I am using, inputs I am taking from BN bar and CN bar. Then JB is CN bar and AN. So I have to use one AND gate. AND gate I used here. Then KB. OR gate I have to use for KB. OR gate is used for KB. Then JC. Again AND gate. For JC AND gate. KC OR gate. OR gate inputs are AN and BN. OR gate is used here. Inputs are AN and BN. So this is BN. This is AN. One more minute. we will check this also. J is equal to Cn bar plus Bn bar. So between this I have OR gate, JA input, OR gate. So OR gate input should be Cn bar and Bn bar. Bn bar, second one is Cn bar. Thank you.